I would like to invite Mr. 𝗙𝗶𝗸𝗲𝗏, the CEO and Director, KidEx. Mr. 𝗙𝗶𝗸𝗲 is the founder of KidEx. He is an alumni from IIT Kharagpur and IIM Calcutta. He worked for one of the world's top management consulting firms, the Boston Consulting Group, serving clients across India, USA, Africa, and Europe. After a decade of professional experience, he decided to start his own company, KidEx, to make a difference to the lives of millions of Indian children and their parents, enabling better career opportunities for the children by working on their holistic development. Looking at the NEP 2020 policy, KidEx has emerged as an implementation partner for NEP 2020 for 3,000 plus schools all over India. Mr. 𝗙𝗶𝗸𝗲, I pass the baton to you.
Hello everyone. Thanks for those kind words. So I am 𝗙𝗶𝗸𝗲. I am a graduate from IIT Kharagpur, then IIM Calcutta, and I started my own company KidEx 3 days before the first lockdown on 20th March 2020. While we claim we are an edtech, fundamentally, our identity is we are everything beyond academics. The theme of the day has been around hybrid learning, national education policy, what kind of a visionary agenda the country is trying to implement under the aegis of National Education Policy 2020. So in National Education Policy 2020, it is very heartening to see there is a major emphasis on beyond academics. All of you are from education-related industry, so I will not get into stating the obvious of what is NEP 2020, what is it trying to do. I just want to bring the attention of everyone in this room to two main aspects of NEP 2020 which are beyond academics. Number one, section 4.35. So the section 4.35 says, in the pursuit of achieving holistic development of a child, all-rounded development of a child, moving beyond the unidimensional development of a child in the area of academics, the school should introduce a 360-degree holistic multidimensional report card as a part of curriculum that every year, every child, every student will get this 360-degree holistic development report card. This is section 4.35. Secondly, the same section in NEP 2020 talks about section 4.46, that schools should eventually look at introducing an app which can conduct quizzes, assessments, competitions, experiential learning, enrichment program of all kind to justify the vision and agenda of National Education Policy 2020. This is the only way an app, a digital app for beyond academics, that you can achieve the goals of National Education Policy in an affordable manner. My company has solved these two needs for each and every school in the country. I like to show a quick video so that you can appreciate what is already available. So the video shows how we have a ready technology solution for 100% scope of Section 4 of NEP 2020. And as, again, all of you would have been following over the last couple of months, the emphasis and the effort to drive NEP 2020 implementation has picked up a lot of momentum. Our Honorable Minister, 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲 has on 7 September announced that the process for creation of 14,500 PM Shri schools in the country has begun. The government has marked a budget of 27,360 crores for these 14,500 schools over the next 5 years, and they will be developed as an exemplar school. So every block will have 2 schools which will demonstrate how do you do 100% implementation of NEP 2020. And then those schools will be the role model for all the other schools in their vicinity. That is the public news already announced. It emphasizes that focus is on 100% achievement of goals, achieving holistic development and well-rounded development. So then any school who wants to be one of these schools or wants to be a role model school, the academics problem we have been solving as a country for at least 3 decades now. The last education policy was in 1986. Since then, we have made great progress on education. It's no surprise, most of the global CEOs are Indians. It is all kudos to our education system, which had emphasized on academics. And now to make India the #1 economy of the world, we realize we have to think beyond academics as well. And the status is today there is only one company which can execute 100% agenda of Section 4 of NEP 2020 for your schools, and that is my company, KidEx. And I am here to offer my service offerings to each one of you. The question which was tabled in one of the discussions earlier, that we are setting a visionary goal, but where's the money going to come from? It gives me immense pride to say that the solution that me and my team have developed, we are offering it to schools at 10 rupees per child per month. 100% of NEP 2020 Section 4, we can implement it at 10 rupees per child per month. We are not saying that I want to go after the premium schools or I want to charge a bomb. We want this system to be adopted across the 15 lakh schools which are present in India. Last 2 years, since March 2020, we have been working on it. We have built a fantastic product. We have built a massively affordable product. If this is something that you believe you want to add to your offering for your students, my only humble request is book early. We are inviting schools to sign up at the earliest, experience it over the next 3 to 4 months so that you can decide whether I want to make it a part of my curriculum next year. So, with that, I would like to summarize. A great team building relevant technology for India. I have heard at multiple places, IITians do not build stuff for India. Here is your opportunity to embrace something that some of the top brains of India are creating for India. Google and MIT, Ministry of Electronics and IT, have recognized our company as top 5 edtech startups in India, which have built something unique, made in India, made for the world, and not copied from anywhere. If you believe this is of interest to you, for your school, for your students, we are around. Do visit us. Happy to share as many details. We believe in straight talk. My slide would have also said GST extra. We do not believe in keeping anything hidden anywhere. You like the stuff, you experience it. We can say that the students are going to love it. And together we will set up India to become the world's largest economy a few years sooner. बनना तो हमें है ही नंबर 1 इकोनॉमी. जल्दी मिलकर शुरुआत करेंगे तो कुछ साल पहले इंडिया को वर्ल्ड की नंबर 1 इकोनॉमी बना सकते हैं. That is the intent, that is the effort. Thank you.
Thank you, 𝗙𝗶𝗸𝗲. I would like to invite Advocate Nitinji to please come up on dais and felicitate 𝗙𝗶𝗸𝗲.